Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy mushroom sandwich recipe, ideal as a filling breakfast or as a quick meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using sourdough bread for this recipe. I'm slicing 2 slices of the sourdough bread and I'm keeping the sourdough bread slices aside. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 6 to 7 garlic cloves sliced and allow the garlic cloves to turn light golden brown in color. Once the garlic clove starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, and give it a stir. Allow the onions to turn light golden brown in color. Once the onion starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 200 grams of mushrooms roughly chopped. Give it a stir. Add in 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Stir well. Cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. 1 minute later, you can see that the mushroom has started to release water. Just giving it a good mix and allow the mushrooms to get cooked thoroughly. 3 minutes later, the mushrooms are thoroughly cooked and the water has evaporated. Add in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed, half teaspoon garam masala, some fresh moringa leaves, 1 green chili finely chopped, 1/4 of a red capsicum chopped. You can use green capsicum instead of red capsicum. I'm giving this all a good mix. Instead of moringa leaves, you can use any green leafy vegetable of your choice and allow the mushroom filling to cool down. Once cooled down, squeeze in half a lemon and now the mushroom filling is ready. I'm using 2 slices of sourdough bread. I'm placing 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mushroom filling on the bread slice. Cover it with the other slice and lightly press it down. I'm toasting the sandwich on my cast iron grill pan. You can also use a cast iron tawa instead. I'm heating my grill pan and I'm lightly greasing it with wood pressed groundnut oil. I'm placing the sandwich on the greased cast iron grill pan and I'm placing something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help to toast both sides evenly and also will help to seal the filling. 1 to 1.5 minutes later, remove the skillet on top. Carefully flip it over and toast that side as well. Once both sides are toasted and crisp, remove it from the grill pan. I like to slice the sandwich just before serving. So guys, do try this healthy mushroom sandwich and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.